9 manipulation tricks that will make you the master of control. Number 1. To make someone second-guess themselves, simply ask, "Are you sure about that?" Number 2. If someone tries to argue with you, stay calm and whisper your response. They'll have to quiet down to hear you. Number 3. When someone says sorry to you, don't just say no problem. Say thank you and they won't do it again. Number 4. If someone bullies you, laugh at them. They'll become embarrassed. Number 5. If someone asks you, "Do you know what time it is?" Nod your head and say yes. Number 6. To stop someone from yelling at you, stand closer to them and say, "Having a bad day?" Number 7. If you want someone to stop talking, drop something on the ground and as you pick it up, interrupt them. Number 8. If you want to capture everyone's attention, look at the sky in shock. This will create a commotion. Number 9. To divert someone's attention from a topic, ask them a personal question. This will make them focus on themselves instead.